my favorite projects when it comes to working on cars are ones that are fast, easy, and fairly cheap. Now for right around 10 bucks, we can make these wheels look pretty damn close to new, and there's absolutely no risk in trying this. And by no risk in trying this, I mean today we're going to be using a peelable spray paint in order to color match and cover up all of these marring marks that we got from our last track day. And there are two options. You can go ahead and spray paint and match the wheel in these areas by following this same exact process. But if you're like me and you know it's gonna happen time and time again, it just makes it easier to use a peelable paint. That way, if you get a little bit extra where you don't want it to be, it's very easy to rub right off and redo. And all you're really gonna need for this is a little bit of blue painter's tape. You're gonna need a rag in order to clean up the wheels to make sure that there's no debris on it. And then you're gonna wanna go pick up a Plasti Dip or a peel coat that matches the color of your wheels. So let's go jump right into this. It should take only about 5 to 15 minutes to get this all set up, done, and back on the car. Roughly try to put on 4 to 5 coats and pull off the tape right before it's finished drying, and you guys should be good to go. I think the end result looks pretty damn good, especially compared to how it looked like before. If you guys did enjoy this video and if it was helpful, please leave a like and a comment and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.